Choose Rectangle tool. Create rectangle. Hold Shift and Alt key, then drag to make copies of rectangle. Hold Shift and rotate. Choose Direct Selection tool. Select these points, and move them using arrow keys. Adjust all points, accordingly. Select shapes using Selection tool, and change colors. Right-click, arrange and bring to front. Select Rectangle tool and create small rectangle. Select all shapes and create copy. Hold Shift and rotate. Place the shape carefully. That's it. Hope you like it. Subscribe my YouTube channel.